GoTo Resolve for managed service providers, MSPs, is quickly becoming a game changer for businesses that need efficient and cost-effective IT management solutions. If you're an MSP looking for a better way to streamline your operations and support clients, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see why GoTo Resolve might just be the tool you need to enhance your service offerings. First up, let's talk about simplicity. One of the most common complaints when it comes to MSP software is that it can be overly complex and hard to navigate. GoTo Resolve, however, is designed with ease of use in mind. It's a platform that allows you to manage multiple clients seamlessly without feeling overwhelmed by its interface. Whether you're monitoring devices, resolving issues, or providing remote support, GoTo Resolve puts everything in one easy-to-access place so you can work faster and more efficiently. Next thing, it offers great scalability. As your business grows, you need a solution that can grow with you. GoTo Resolve does this by providing flexible options that scale to meet the needs of MSPs, whether you're handling a small batch of clients or a large enterprise. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the software or upgrading to another platform. It adapts to your business, saving you time and hassle. The third thing worth mentioning is its powerful remote access capabilities. Remote support is a critical component of any MSP's toolkit, and GoTo Resolve excels in this area. The remote session tools are intuitive, stable, and fast, allowing you to troubleshoot and resolve client issues from anywhere. You can offer instant support without worrying about compatibility or system performance. The flexibility it provides is unmatched, especially in today's work-from-home era. Next, let's address pricing. A key consideration when choosing any MSP solution is how affordable it is. GoTo Resolve offers a cost-effective pricing model, making it a strong contender against competitors. However, while it's cheaper than some alternatives, it's not perfect for every scenario. The pricing can be a bit tricky depending on how many clients you're supporting, and while it's affordable at scale, the costs could creep up for smaller providers who aren't fully utilizing its potential. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve integrates with various third-party tools, but it doesn't offer the depth of customization and wide range of integrations that some competitors, like ConnectWise or Datto, provide. This could limit its flexibility if you're already using specialized software in your business. If you need a super highly customizable platform, GoTo Resolve might not be the best fit for you. Next, security is always top of mind, especially when you're dealing with sensitive client data. GoTo Resolve offers solid encryption and security features, but it's not immune to vulnerabilities. It's crucial to stay on top of updates and ensure your client's data is protected at all times. The platform does its part, but make sure you complement it with other security protocols to truly keep your clients safe. Lastly, I want to leave you with a bit of a twist. While GoTo Resolve is a great tool for MSPs, we've got some exciting alternatives to show you. These alternatives not only address some of GoTo Resolve's shortcomings, but also come with extended free trials and exclusive benefits available only through our link. We'll walk you through these options, which are tailor-made for the goals mentioned in the title, achieving maximum efficiency and profitability as an MSP. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Be sure to check out those alternatives. They just might be the game changer you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the options in the description.